It is known as the black gold of the abyss. Dangerous, spiky, and incredibly valuable.
This is the high-stakes world of the sea urchin harvest, where nature's defense meets human precision.
Manual mastery. In the first stage, professional divers must handpick each specimen to ensure the reef's health.
Speed is critical. Once harvested, these delicate creatures must reach the industrial facility within hours.
Easy now, easy. Clear of the deck. Bring her around.
The transition from the chaotic ocean to the sterile precision of the harvest motion processing line.
Industrial opening. This machine applies 50 pounds of pressure to crack the shell without damaging the fragile uni inside.
The manual touch. Even in an industrial setting, human expertise is required for the initial extraction.
Purity control. We use UV sterilized seawater to maintain the natural flavor and texture of the sea urchin.
Digital grading. Artificial intelligence analyzes the color and shape of every unilobe to ensure premium quality.
Artistic precision. Each tray is a work of industrial art, arranged with millimeter accuracy.
Thermal stability. To preserve the melt-in-your-mouth texture, the temperature is locked at near freezing points.
Science of taste. We measure the lipid content to ensure every batch meets the harvest motion standard.
Global logistics. This high-value cargo is prepared for same-day flight to global luxury markets.
The race against time. From the ocean floor to a sushi counter in Tokyo or New York in under 24 hours. The ultimate result. The culmination of dangerous manual labor and advanced industrial technology.
Sustainable future. We are pioneering land-based urchin ranching to protect wild coral reefs.
Zero waste. Every part of the sea urchin is utilized, returning nutrients back to the soil.
The cycle continues. Respect for the ocean, driven by the power of industry.
Precision, danger, luxury. This is the Harvest Motion Aquatic series.